In this video, I will guide you on how to add a location on an Instagram story. First, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now, make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on this plus icon right here. Now go ahead and take a photo, or you can upload one from your gallery. After that is done, you want to tap on this sticker icon right here. Now you should be able to find the option of location here. Go ahead and select that. Now search for the location. You can type that over here. Once you have found it, select that. Now your content will appear over here. Go ahead and tap on the add option. As you can see, the location has been added here. You can simply tap on it once to change the theme of your location. Once you're happy, you can simply adjust it. You can resize it as well. Now you can adjust it wherever you want. After you're happy, you want to tap on the Your Story option. In this way, you can easily add a location on an Instagram story. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.